Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CUBOT tablet. Tap 10. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on tablet. After that, select Send on Android smartphone and Receive on CUBOT. Then tap on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, select Send. This way you will choose all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on tablet, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also, more comfortably, just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!